So today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem where your MacBook Neo does not show up under the list of available screen mirroring devices. So to fix that problem, if you want to screen mirror an iPhone to your Mac, what you need to do is simply go to System Settings. Under System Settings, make sure General is selected and then click on AirDrop and Continuity. And then you want to scroll to AirPlay. Make sure AirPlay receiver is enabled. So you're basically enabling your laptop to be an AirPlay receiver. And then also you can choose either current user, you can leave it as that, or if you're trying to screen mirror an iPhone that's not yours or one that's not registered to the same Apple ID as your MacBook, then you can simply select either anyone on the same network or everyone. Now, to make it more compatible with everyone, just select everyone. Okay. And once you do that, now you notice whenever you go to the screen mirroring options, your MacBook should now appear as a receiver. So you can actually go ahead and screen mirror to your MacBook. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.